Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you've seen my previous video, then you already know that I have shown you two methods through which you can import live Nifty chain data into your Excel file and analyze that data. I have also given you one strategy through which we have analyzed the data, and I have also shown you how to format the data and create chart out of the data. So today I'm going to show you one more method through which you can import live stock market data into your Excel file. Well, this method also having some limitations that I'm going to tell you at the end of the video. So why am I discussing this third method if I already discussed two methods? Well, these two methods were having their own limitations, own pros and cons. Let me give you a quick view of pros and cons of these two methods which I have discussed earlier. Methods which I have discussed earlier has pros and cons. Let me discuss one by one in this video what are the pros and cons of that methods. The first pros is you don't have to open any account with any of the brokerage company and you can directly import this data from NSE website itself. The second pro is you can import change in OI data from NSE website itself. The third pro is your data will not be affected if any issue comes to any brokerage services. Now let's discuss the cons of these methods. So the first con is importing of this data from the NSE website is little bit slow because you are going to browse this website, then you are going to import this data into your Excel file. The second con is you have not purchased any API from the NSE website, so sometimes you will be facing some issue whenever you will be importing this data from NSE website. The third con is limitation of fetching the data. If you are fetching a lot of data from the NSE website, then you may be facing some issue like your Excel crashed during fetching this data or it is taking a lot of time. The fourth con is you need to have some basic knowledge about the Excel in order to fetch the data from NSE website. The fifth con is you cannot update it in millisecond. Even if you want to update it in seconds also, times take some time to import this data into your Excel file, so it is little bit slow. The sixth con is it will be using your computer resources, so if you are using another program along with importing of this data, then it may be possible sometimes your computer will hang. These are the pros and cons of our earlier methods. Now in this video I am going to show you one more method. In this method we are going to use the brokerage company software which is made for Windows to import the data. Many brokerage company provides you the opportunity to import the live data into your Excel file and analyze the data. Well, this method itself is having some limitations which I am going to discuss at the end of this video, so make sure that you watch this complete video. Open your favorite browser and type Angel Broking Speed Pro software and hit the enter button. Click on the link which says Angel Speed Pro software. Let browser load the website. Now click on download now button and it will start your download in few seconds. Now wait till the download is finished, then install this software. Now open the installed software and enter your credentials. First, you have to enter your username and hit the login button. Now wait till it completes its processes. It will take some time. Now wait for some time till it establishes connection with Exchange server. Here you can see Nifty 50 stocks which you can add manually. Let me zoom it out a bit so that you can see it better. Now go to Market tab and click on Open in Excel. Now here it will show select sheet. You have to click OK button and it will load this data into Excel file. Now open the Excel file.
Here you can format the data as per your wish. Click up arrow button on top right corner and select show tabs and commands. Now select all the data and put the borders around it and align the data to the center horizontally and vertically. Select and give the yellow color to your headers and click on B to bold the headers. I have put the borders around empty cells which doesn't look good, so I am gonna remove it and I am gonna fill it with the white color. Now let me readjust the width of the column so that it looks good in our Excel file. Now remove or hide the rows and columns which you don't need in your Excel file. I'm gonna rename current sheet name as NSE Equity Data Angel Broking. Click on another tab and name it as a graph. Since I wanted to show this data on the live graph, I wanted to analyze this data in old fashioned way. Now let me tell you my strategy here. If the quantity on the buyer side is more, it means stock price is going to go up, and if the quantity on the seller side is more, it means stock price is going to go down. I'm going to take the quantity data of buyers and sellers and I'm going to show it on my graph so that I can make my decision by looking at the buyers and sellers quantity data itself. Now click on Graphs tab, go to Insert and select 2D Charts under Chart section. Now expand the chart and click on Select Data. Here you have to select the Best Buy Quantity column and Best Sell Quantity column, and also you have to name the series as a Best Buy Quantity and Best Sell Quantity. For this horizontal axis category, you have to select the Description column. So by analyzing this data, you can see that the most of the buying and selling is happening on Idea stock and Yes Bank stock. Click on Quick Layout and select Layout 3. Here you can see that the blue line represents the buying while red line represents selling of the stock. Let me put this legends on the top and change the chart title. I want to make sure here that whatever signal is generating on my graph is actual signal. I am going to verify this signal with volume column data. I am gonna add volume column data into this graph only.
So this is it, guys. That's how you import the stock market data into your Excel file. Now I'm going to discuss some limitation of this method also. So if you are going to import option chain data into your Excel file, then you need to add each and every strike price of particular expiry date. Then you can import this data. Once this expiry gets over, you have to again add and import this data. The second limitation is many of the stockbrokers don't provide the change in OI data, so you will not be getting the change in OI data and you will not be analyze that data. Well, another limitation is sometimes it doesn't provide you the opportunity to import the option chain data into your Excel file. Sometimes this option will be grayed out and you will not be import this data into your Excel file. Well, it is because of lot of traffic is generated at the same time in your Excel file and your software will not be able to handle that data. So these are the limitations. So in my upcoming video, I am going to show you more methods to import live stock market data into Excel file. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and consider subscribing this channel.